the Shacklemen. Oh.
Hi, Deadlock's here again with Shacklemen challenge number 4. I'm using the TCHA 40s this time just because they're there. This is, you have to pick out of them double locked. Now, I actually went on the internet and, oh, these are a bit dusty. That's better. I went on the internet and checked out some definitions of lockpicking, and I found on Wikipedia that it said the art of opening a lock without using the original key. So these are double locked, and this is an ASP key, so that's not an original key. So that, according to Wikipedia, is lockpicking. Challenge completed. That's all from us. See you next time.